Hello everyone, it's Kevin, and today I'm excited to show you how you can transfer dot from the Polkadot relay chain to Moonbeam. When you migrate dot to Moonbeam, you'll receive XC.dot, a substrate native asset that conforms to ERC20 standards. XC.dot is the first of many different kinds of XC20 assets on Moonbeam. Being substrate native assets, XC20s can be transferred cross-chain via XCM, and since XC20s conform to the ERC20 interface, you can interact with them as you would any other ERC20 token. Naturally, this means that you can add XC.dot as a token in MetaMask and utilize it in DeFi as a liquidity provider, or simply make it a swap. To get started, head to apps.moonbeam.network/moonbeam. And if this is your first visit to apps.moonbeam.network, you may need to agree to the terms and conditions. We'll go ahead and press accept, and go ahead and connect to your wallet. We'll unlock our MetaMask wallet, and choose the account that you'd like to connect to the dApp. Press connect. On the Moonbeam app's homepage, you'll see a list of all the live XC20s, with Polkadot being the first of many. Deposit refers to transferring the assets to Moonbeam, and withdraw refers to transferring the asset out of Moonbeam. In this example, we'll be initiating a deposit to transfer dot from the Polkadot relay chain to Moonbeam. You'll also see an Add to MetaMask button next to each asset. Go ahead and press Add to MetaMask, and press Add Token, and you can see your XC.dot balance in MetaMask by going to the Assets tab. Before getting started with the deposit, verify that the account that holds your dot is visible in the Polkadot.js extension. If it's not visible, you can toggle visibility by pressing the eye icon here, and also make sure that the account is selected for use on the Polkadot relay chain. You could also choose allow use on any chain. Go ahead and press deposit, then press connect. You'll get a pop-up from the Polkadot.js extension. We'll press yes, allow this application access. First, you can verify that the origin chain is Polkadot. Here, you can select the Polkadot address that you want to transfer your dot from. If you have multiple accounts here in the Polkadot.js extension, ensure that you have selected the correct one. Then enter the amount that you'd like to transfer. Remember that Polkadot has an existential deposit amount of 1 dot, so you should always leave 1 dot in your Polkadot account at all times. If the amount that you want to transfer would drop your Polkadot account balance below the 1 dot minimum existential deposit, you could just transfer the full balance of your account to avoid your account balance being reaped on Polkadot. In this example, we'll choose the max amount. The max amount that you can send is slightly less than your balance to account for execution fees. Your XC.dot will be delivered to the account that's currently connected to the dApp, and you can verify the account address here. If you need to change the account that's connected, go ahead and switch the account in MetaMask, and then the page will be refreshed. Review the details, and if everything looks good, go ahead and press send. You'll receive a pop-up from the Polkadot.js extension asking you to sign the transaction, so go ahead and enter your password and sign the transaction. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your dot from the Polkadot relay chain to Moonbeam. You may notice that your balance of XC.dot is slightly less than the balance that you specified in the prior step, and that's just because of the execution fees that were deducted. You can see your balance here in the dApp, and you can also see it in MetaMask. Now that you have XC.dot, you can use it like any other ERC20 token. Now let's take a look at the withdraw function. Withdrawing refers to transferring your XC20s from Moonbeam to the Polkadot relay chain or another parachain. In this case, we'll be withdrawing our XC.dot back to the Polkadot relay chain. Click withdraw, and choose the destination chain. In this case, that's the Polkadot relay chain. Then enter the amount of XC.dot that you'd like to transfer. The minimum transfer amount is 1.052 XC.dot. This is in order to ensure that you meet the existential deposit requirement on Polkadot. In this example, we'll choose the max amount. Next, enter the destination Polkadot address. Remember never to specify an exchange address here. So I'm going to copy and paste my Polkadot address from the Polkadot.js extension. Verify that all the details here are correct, and if so, press send. And confirm the transaction in MetaMask. And that's it. You've successfully transferred dot from the Polkadot relay chain to Moonbeam and back. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.